If you're thinking about starting an LLC or trying to tackle all the legal steps that come with launching a business, chances are you've run into LegalZoom. They've been around forever, and because of that, they're usually the first name people recognize. But just because they're popular doesn't always mean they're the best choice for everyone, depending on what matters most to you, whether that's keeping your costs down, making the process easier, or getting access to extras like branding tools. There might actually be better options out there. So in this video, I'm going to break down the top 2 alternatives to LegalZoom, ZenBusiness and Tailor Brands. Now, these two take very different approaches, but both are designed to simplify business formation so you don't get lost in the piles of paperwork or get hit with pricey add-ons. I'm going to cover where each one really shines, what sets them apart, and how they stack up against LegalZoom. So by the end, you can have a very clear picture of which platform might actually be the best fit for you and your business. Let's get into it. All right, we're going to kick things off with ZenBusiness, since it's usually the first platform that I mention when someone asks me about alternatives to LegalZoom. And honestly, the biggest reason is how much easier and more guided the whole process feels from the start. If you've never set up an LLC before, it can feel overwhelming just trying to figure out which forms go where, what deadlines you need to keep track of, and how to avoid costly mistakes. ZenBusiness really takes that stress off of your plate. You just pick your state, make sure your business name is available, you fill in a few details, and they handle filing your articles of organization. And if you need extras like an EIN or an operating agreement, you can add those on too. And it's a way less stressful way of just piecing it all together for yourself. Now, for me, that structure made a big difference. I love their dashboard. Once you're logged in, you can check the status of your filings, download your documents, and see what's coming up next. Honestly, this is where a lot of new business owners trip up. It's not the initial formation, it's the ongoing stuff like annual reports, compliance deadlines, or even something as simple as updating an address. Miss one of those and you can end up paying penalties. ZenBusiness makes it easy by putting reminders right in front of you. LegalZoom has something similar, but in my experience, ZenBusiness keeps it simpler and doesn't push as many upsells. Now, the registered agent service is another feature I found very useful. Most states require you to have a registered address, and trust me, you don't want your personal address listed publicly. ZenBusiness handles that for you. They receive the official mail, scan it, and upload it right to your account so you can grab it at any time. Compliance help is another area where ZenBusiness stood out for me. To give you an example, when I moved my office address, I didn't have to spend hours digging through my state's website trying to figure out which form I needed. I just submitted the change through ZenBusiness and they took care of everything for me. LegalZoom offers similar services, but ZenBusiness felt more approachable and less intimidating if you're not used to dealing with legal paperwork. Now, I also tried their website and domain tools. They're pretty basic, nothing fancy, but they get the job done if you just need a professional looking site quickly. I didn't use them long term, but I knew people who landed their first clients with that setup before upgrading later on down the line. For beginners, it's a nice option to have built in. And if you ever get stuck, their support team is easy to reach, and in my experience, actually very helpful. I liked how clear their answers were, which really makes the whole process feel very, well, just less intimidating. As for cost, ZenBusiness keeps it pretty straightforward with 3 main plans. The starter plan is technically free. You just pay your state's filing fee, which, depending on where you live, falls between $50 and $300. That one covers the basics if all you need is to get your LLC filed and have access to their dashboard. The Pro plan, which runs for about $200 a year plus state fees, adds in things like faster filing, an EIN, an operating agreement template, and their worry-free compliance, which basically means they'll remind you of deadlines and help you stay on top of annual reports so you don't get hit with the penalties. For me, that middle option makes the most sense because it covers the essentials without going overboard. Then there's the premium plan at about $300 a year plus state fees, which bundles in everything from the Pro plan and also gives you a website, domain, business email, and access to premium support. All in all, ZenBusiness is a solid choice if you want a straightforward way to form your LLC and stay on top of compliance without stressing over every little detail. It's especially great for first-time entrepreneurs or small business owners who don't want to juggle multiple services just to cover the basics like an EIN, operating agreement, or registered agent. Now, if you know you're going to need legal advice, LegalZoom might be the better option since they offer attorney access, But if your main goal is simply getting your business set up smoothly and staying compliant, ZenBusiness is the one that I would go with. Also, I just want to let you know that if you want to try out any of these LLC services that we talk about here today, then you can check out the affiliate links down in the description below, where sometimes we do have special deals that you're not going to find if you go directly to their website. All right, next up, we're going to talk about Tailor Brands, which takes a completely different approach compared to LegalZoom or even ZenBusiness. While those platforms put most of their energy into the legal side of things, Tailor Brands mixes LLC formation with branding tools. In other words, you're not just filing paperwork, you're also creating your business identity at the same time. When I tried it out, what stood out immediately was how much the platform pushes you towards building your presence online right away. Alongside filing your LLC, you can grab a domain, design a logo, and a simple website. Starting a business isn't just about being legally registered. You also want to look professional and be easy to find, and Tailor Brands helps you cover all of that. The setup process itself is quick. You answer a few questions, they handle the paperwork, and then everything lives in their dashboard. That becomes your control center. You've got your legal documents there, but also all of your branding tools. Having my website and logo ready to go in the exact same place that I filed my LLC just saved me a ton of time. The only catch is that the dashboard can feel a little crowded if you're not using all of the features. But once you find your rhythm, it's very easy to manage. On the formation side, they check all the boxes. You can get an EIN, get a registered agent, and they'll guide you on licenses and permits if you're not sure what you need to do. They even flag things like foreign registration if you plan to operate in more than one state, something a lot of new owners overlook. The legal coverage doesn't go as deep as LegalZoom, since you don't get built-in attorney access, but for most small business owners, you just want the essentials taken care of. It does the job without making things feel overwhelming. Now, where Tailor Brands really shines is the branding side. The logo generator is surprisingly quick and produces designs that are clean and usable right away. It's decent enough for getting started with a logo. The website builder is simple but practical for sharing your services, your contact info, or location. And I thought the digital business card feature was a nice, cool touch for networking. Another thing that I appreciated was the extra guidance built into the platform. Tailor Brands has an academy with tutorials, guides, and resources covering everything from compliance to marketing. I did find it useful when I was researching permits. It saved me from bouncing between a dozen government sites. Now, for first-time owners, that kind of support can make the whole process feel way less intimidating. As for pricing, Tailor Brands keeps it very simple with 3 plans. The light plan is free, aside from your state filing fee, which is nice if you just want the bare basics of forming an LLC and access to the dashboard. The essential plan is next at about $200 a year plus your state fees. Adds faster filing, compliance help, and an operating agreement. And then the elite plan is around $250 a year plus state fees, and that's where you get the full package. Everything in the essential plus a website, domain, business email, logo tools, and those digital business cards. It's basically the start your business and brand in one place option. Overall, I'd say Tailor Brands is a good fit if you want to handle both your LLC and your professional image at the same time. LegalZoom is still more focused on legal services, but Tailor Brands leans into branding and visibility. If showing up online and looking professional is just as important to you as filing paperwork, then Tailor Brands is a solid choice. So to wrap this up, LegalZoom is still a solid option if you want to form an LLC, but ZenBusiness and Tailor Brands both stand out as strong alternatives. They just take very different approaches. ZenBusiness focuses on guiding you through the filing process step by step, while also keeping compliance and documents neatly organized so you don't have to stress over deadlines or paperwork. Tailor Brands, on the other hand, is more about giving you an all-in-one path where you can handle the legal side of starting your business and then immediately move into the branding basics like creating a logo, setting up a website, and actually grabbing a domain. The choice really comes down to what you need most. If your main concern is keep filing simple and staying compliant without drowning in paperwork, ZenBusiness is probably going to feel like the easier fit. But if you're starting totally from scratch and you want to handle your LLC while also getting your brand online quickly, Tailor Brands might be the better option. At the end of the day, both are very reliable services, so it's less about which one is better and more about which one lines up with your priorities. And that's it for this review. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos just like this. As a reminder, if you want to check out any of the LLC services that we talked about here today, then you can check out the affiliate links down in the description below, where sometimes we do have special deals that you're not going to find if you go directly to their website. Also, if you're interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below and I'll do my best to reply. Finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.